Hello fellow fitness lovers, we all want to live a healthy life, which means we need to maintain an appropriate exercise and nutritional routine. This is another video to help you understand the best tips, facts, and hacks to do just that. In today's video, we want to review the never do's after a workout to help the people that find they train consistently along with having a nutritionally balanced meal plan, but are not achieving their desired goals. Well, working out is not just about exercising. You need to make it a lifestyle. If you're working out consistently but not getting the results you're after, the issue may be with what you're doing after your workout. We have found several common issues people make after a workout that can be slowing down your results, or worse, could stop you from exercising completely. Without wasting any more time, let's get into the 7 common post-workout mistakes that you should avoid if you want to build more muscle, burn fat fast, and boost your recovery to meet your fitness goals quicker. Number 1, do not skip rest day. Eat, train, repeat. It's key to your progress and goals to rest on a rest day. You need to rest to give your muscles the time to repair from all the hard training you have been doing. This means only doing lighter activities to stimulate active recovery. This allows your body to take advantage when you sleep on your rest day, so your body regenerates the muscle tears that occur during your workout sessions to become stronger. Not to mention, this allows your nervous system to regenerate and improve as well. Another very important fact for rest day is to avoid injury. We all know nothing will set you back more from your fitness goals than an injury. So be sure when you schedule your weekly workouts, you schedule 1 to 2 rest days. Here are a few other benefits you will gain from a rest day. Allows time for body recovery, prevents muscle fatigue on training days, reduces the risk of injury, improves performance, supports better sleep, and promotes increased muscle gains. Number 2, eating the wrong meal. You just had an amazing workout and beat your personal best in several exercises, so you might want to celebrate your victory. And yeah, why not? But if you want to stay on the right track for your fitness goals, then you must choose the right recovery meals. Be careful not to start eating a meal or snack high in fat, as this can immediately slow down your digestion and impact your body's recovery. Always look for a healthy meal with a mix of lean protein and the right amount of carbohydrates to refuel the body. No matter what you do, stay away from those processed sugary treats, especially those ice-cold sodas. Studies have shown a single can of Coca-Cola already has more sugar than the average adult's daily sugar allowance. Sure, eating sugar triggers the reward pathway of our brain by releasing dopamine, a neurotransmitter that makes us feel happy. But you're consuming unhealthy additives that can add up quickly to an unhealthy recovery meal high in calories, which is harmful to your body's recovery. Be sure to focus on selecting lean proteins with a well-balanced mix of right fats and carbs. Always remember, your fitness goals are formulated from 30 to 40% of your workouts and 60 to 70% of your nutritional choices. Number 3, resist taking a nap. We all have been there. It's normal. You complete your intense workout, come home exhausted to a recovery meal, and just want to take a quick nap. You must resist the urge to sleep directly after completing your workout, as this will not allow your body to properly cool down and relax. Going to sleep after your workout would be similar to hitting a speed of 90 miles per hour in a car and then instantly slamming on the brakes to a stop. Your body needs the time to cool down from your muscles being fatigued and torn. It's critical to wait at least an hour to 2 hours to cool down properly before sleeping, even if it's just a nap. Here are a few other drawbacks of taking a nap after a workout: a poor nap quality, increased grogginess, and disrupted nighttime sleeping. Number 4, forgetting to stretch. In the previous video, 7 must-dos after a workout, we touch on a section about stretching. This time too, we are including it just to highlight its importance. Whether you may be in a rush after your workout or may just not want to take the time to do it, immediately following your workout sessions should always be stretching. It helps reduce the soreness and tension, increases the elasticity of muscles, giving more room to grow, and improves body posture. In an article published by Dr. Dilson E. Rashier, Department of Kinesiology and Physical Education, McGill University, published in the Journal of Applied Physiology, stretching has shown to even make muscles stronger. In many cases, it has been seen that not stretching over a period of time while undergoing training causes posture deformation because of muscles becoming tighter. Here are a few more benefits on why you should not forget to stretch. Stretching helps to prevent workout and post-workout injuries. Stretching helps to get rid of toxins in your body, and stretching slowly reduces your heart rate as you cool down. Number 5. Starving yourself. Many people, especially women, skip or delay a meal to lose fat after a workout. This is absolutely the wrong choice if you want to gain lean muscle and not only burn fat, but keep the fat off. Eating after a workout can make or break your fitness goals. Will force the body to use muscle proteins as a source of energy to fulfill its general demands, which impact your muscle gains. The body will want to store these calories as fat, not lean muscle. In layman's terms, working out and not consuming the proper recovery meals will impact your fitness gains. Just remember, in some cases, you may notice people having protein shakes to help muscle repair. All of these options do help, but they should never replace a full recovery meal to replenish our body after a workout. Number 6. Antioxidants are a must. Antioxidants are a popular choice after every workout, particularly when performing heavy lifting, HIIT cardio, and endurance-based exercises. This is because exercise triggers free radical activity released through your body, which can cause stress and inflammation. However, antioxidants are a different antidote for this and will help reduce muscle soreness. There are several choices to pick, from antioxidant supplements to antioxidant-enriched foods. The target is to consume the antioxidants within 24 hours of your workout. Here are some of the best healthy choices for a high dose of antioxidants. Dark chocolate. Yes, it's nutritious and full of minerals and antioxidants that are linked to impressive health benefits. For example, reducing inflammation and risk factors for heart disease. Pecans. Another great source of healthy fats, minerals, and a high amount of antioxidants. Blueberries and strawberries. Great choice for a food low in calories, but packed with nutrients, a rich source of vitamin C, and antioxidants. Artichokes. A great source of fiber, minerals, and yes, antioxidants. Beans. A diverse group of legumes that are high in fiber and one of the best vegetable sources of antioxidants. Always remember, antioxidants are a must after a workout, not only to prevent inflammation and muscle soreness, but to protect your body from harmful molecules, which can promote stress, heart disease, cancers, and various chronic diseases. Number 7. Water, water, water. If you make a list of the most essential things required for life as a whole, needless to say, on the top of this list would be water. On a hot day, we can lose about 2 pounds or 1 liter of water per hour. Doctors now say that a whopping 75% of people don't drink enough water per day. Chances are you are one of these. Now, working out in these conditions could slow down your muscle growth and your body's ability to burn fat. If you think you are hydrated just because you don't feel thirsty, then think again. You need to be aware that thirst is a poor indicator for dehydration. As little as a 2% loss of water in your body causes the brain to lose alertness and the body to feel fatigued. A 150-pound person would need to lose only 1.8 pounds of water to be 2% dehydrated. Reports show that the average person can easily lose this much while working out in around an hour. Many people drink sports drinks instead of water. These can be harmful in the long run as they contain sugars and other preservative chemicals. Our suggestion is to avoid these and stick to plain, good old water and lots of it. Always target at least 1 gallon of water per day. Remember, there are various do's and don'ts to help advance towards your fitness goals. The don't do's are just as important as the do's, so be sure to understand them all and implement them within your pre- and post-workout routine. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and share this video so that you can help others in meeting their fitness goals too. Please remember, we appreciate your comments, recommendations, and sharing your fitness experiences with us and the other followers. See you in the next video.